more productive in the morning than I am in the afternoon. Another pro tip for you guys. I'm just not really feeling it this week. So let's recap on what I have been doing. And you like want to keep the momentum going. 200 or more listings on my website alone. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober Day 27. Happy Tuesday. I don't know why I couldn't remember what day it was. I don't know. Anyway, I just finished getting the vlog up for today, and it is 11 o'clock. So that tells you I'm running a little bit behind today, which is totally my fault. I ended up sleeping in just because I was tired. I think it was like midnight or so before we went to bed, and I am definitely a night owl. And I'm not a morning person at all. But I also know about myself that I am more productive in the morning than I am in the afternoon. So it's like, it's a struggle because I am such a night owl. Like I literally could stay up until 2 a.m. Like I'm such a night owl. But then like James gets up and goes to, like he gets up and gets ready for work at 6. So I wake up because of that. And then like, I like try to go back to sleep, and it's just a weird like, so I just try to wake up early anyway, but it's hard when we do stay up late to then get up early, because I am definitely the type of person that needs my like 8 hours of sleep. Honestly, I have no idea what we're gonna do today because I just don't know. It's just one of those weeks where I'm just like, I don't know. I feel like everything in terms of sticker shop stuff, new releases this week, I'm done, because I'm just gonna release the stuff that I showed you guys in Saturday's vlog. So I don't necessarily need to design, which is good because I'm not like in the right mindset to design. I'm just not really feeling it this week, so I'm not gonna like push myself on that. But yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. So we'll see what happens in this vlog. I might just clean today, might just take it easy. I might do some sticker work. I might work more on my SEO. I was really enjoying that, not enjoying that, but getting a lot out of it yesterday. So I might do that today, although that's not like fun things to vlog. It is what it is. We'll figure out what we're gonna do today. We'll see what happens with that. But anyway, I'm going to go make myself some lunch because I'm hungry, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I made some taco meat, and then I put in some pico and guac and vegan cheese, and then I have these jalapeno lime chips from Siete, and this is my lunch for today. Someone else wants it. Okay, pro tip for you guys. If you work from home and you're just feeling like super unmotivated, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to work, you just want to be a bum, get up and clean. Because I promise you, if you just clean a little bit, you'll feel like you've gotten something done and you like want to keep the momentum going, but you'll also just feel so much better when your area is not cluttered. It'll help declutter your mind, I feel like, if you declutter or organize your space. So, another pro tip for you guys. I know I'm full of tips today. Drink your water. Drink your water. I found that was one reason why I was feeling so tired. Obviously, the weather and all of that does really mess with me sometimes. Not like in a, like I'm anxious or depressed. I just want to throw that out there. My mental health is actually really good right now. But it does make me feel just like more tired because, you know, we're losing sunlight, and I feel like that happens to a lot of people. But one thing I found is that I needed to get back on drinking a lot of water, and now that I am feeling more energized. So if you are feeling really tired, that is one thing that I definitely recommend, is drinking your water, taking your vitamins, and trying to get out and get as much sunlight as possible also helps. I made myself some tea. We found this like salted caramel tea by, who is this by? Bigelow. We found it at our grocery store along with a pumpkin spice tea. The pumpkin spice was fine, but if you watched yesterday's vlog, you know I'm more of a peppermint girl. But I do love salted caramel, and so we got this tea and it actually tastes really good. And so yeah, I just thought like a little afternoon pick-me-up. It is 3:30. So let's recap on what I have been doing, because I feel like this week is just hard to share what I'm doing work-wise because I'm just doing a lot of like computer back-end stuff, as I've shared with you guys. But I have been working on SEO, just like tweaking my own listings. It's obviously going to take a while when you have like, you know, I probably have 200 or more listings on my website alone, and then on Etsy I have 150. So it's gonna take a little bit to get through all of them and change over everything, but I have been working hard on doing that. That's been my primary focus as far as work goes today. That's what I've been up to, but there's just a lot of listings to go through and tweak and do these little things, and it's not taking a long time, but it's just like, you know, a lot. So that's what we have been up to, and I hope that these vlogs are okay when I'm just like chatting with you guys or not always showing what I'm doing. Sometimes what I feel like I'm doing is not interesting, but like talking about it might be interesting, you know what I mean? But like just showing it might not be that interesting. I don't know. Anyway, that is what we're up to. I'm just getting my afternoon cup of tea. I am going to clean a little bit more later in this vlog. I did start the dishwasher because I had a lot of dishes that needed to be done. So I'm going to let that run, and then I will empty it and reload it again because there's still dishes in the sink, because I honestly don't even know how, because I don't feel like we've been cooking that. I mean, we've been cooking, but like I just cleaned, you know what I mean? It's just like, it's crazy at how quickly you can go through dishes or like laundry or whatever, you know? Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go stop chatting and get back to work and do my work. Okay guys, so it is a little while later. It is like 8 o'clock and we're not really doing much. I went and just had some me time and now I'm really sleepy, so kind of want to just go to bed, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and import the footage onto my computer tonight at least, so that way it makes it a little bit easier in the morning whenever I need to edit. But yeah, that's pretty much my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me and don't forget to click subscribe and let me know when you're watching this video, because I think it's super interesting to see what days you're watching YouTube videos and like what day you're watching my video and how long it's been like since I uploaded until you watch it, you know what I mean? So let me know in the comments below what day you're watching this. I hope whatever day it is, it's a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever the next time you watch my videos. I'll see you guys then. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.